Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Seneca's Bass Fishing Shows. I'm here at Chesbro, not Almaden, like I said I was going to go to. I kind of want to go there because I want to pick up one of those medium action rods on the formula combo. But I checked online, they're out of stock at the store. Almaden's another half-hour drive. It's a south-southeast wind. That means the wind's coming over the dam here at Chesbro. Haven't fished a dam in a while. So I'm here at Chesbro. I'm gonna go across the dam. Water's lower. I got more area to explore over there. Let's see if I can catch myself some bass at the dam. Hope you enjoy it. Alrighty, got my poles right here. My bag's actually still is. I was down there on the bench earlier. I just left it down there. Wait, car check. Oh, see? Again, that's why you always check your car. I didn't lock my trunk. There's my bag. There's quite a bit of water flowing into the creek. That's the rock. That's the rock I was getting those fish on when I was fishing right here. A lot lower than the last time I was here. Pretty clear. Fish. Yay. Oh, he jumped off. Little guy. It's a good start though. I'm going to explore way back here. Way back in the shallers. I'm way back up in the creek. Only fish and only bite has been out there on the point. Oh, I had a bite. Yay. Little guy. Caught something though. Little fish off on the deeper side. This is frustrating. I said all these lakes for some reason right now are just poopy. Coyote 4 hours, evening bite. Last time here at Chesbro, a few fish, 2 inactives in the evening. Uvis, pretty much nothing all day. I caught 2 little ones out there. But I've been scanning it with everything and I can't get anything going. Jig, flicking, drop shot, spinnerbait. Tried jerkbait, might try the rattle trap. Got some high clouds coming over. I just don't get it. Back to fishing. Going as finesse as I can. Going with a little straight gotcha stick weightless. I think it's an evening bite, guys. I got a long way till evening. A little weird, guys. Look at that. It's actually raining. I'm going to try the rattle trap out here. An odd freaking day. So they started raining a little bit harder. Oh look, another fish is chased over there. Fish chase out there, fish chase right there, and a fish chase right there. And another one just chased over there. Weird, weird day. Alright, I'm pulling out all the stops today. More and more rain. Caught one. Got a little one on the freaking rattle trap. Little teeny guy. I don't know how he got a hold of this thing. He's grabbed the hook straight on. Ooh, he's bleeding too. Alright. I'm going over to the other corner of the dam. I give somewhere new a try. Look at that thing down there. Maybe that thing just works its way over that stuff. No bites though. That's turned out to be a beautiful sunset. Beautiful sunset, guys. Little one or big one?
Huh?
How big was the one you caught?
5 pounds.
Really? Better than 2? Taking off?
Yeah, nothing biting.
Yeah, I'm about to follow you. I think I'm going to try to spinnerbait real quick. And then I'm pretty much out of here. If I can find out how to get to my frickin' poles. Out. Thistles. Brutal. Brutal. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this edition of Sunday Coast Bass Fishing Shows.
How's it going?
Good. Look who shows up right when I'm leaving.
Figures up.
It's Mickey. Every time a motorcycle goes by, you hear me in my show, I'm all, Mickey?
Time to catch
Mickey?
them bass.
And I'm like, nope, that ain't him. Nope, that ain't him.
It's been a while, huh?
And here he is. He just shows up. So you were in my last video, remember? That one where you caught the fish right at the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Evidently he knows something I don't, because he shows up when I'm leaving. So that means it's on a night bite.
Right now is when the really big ones bite.
See? It's a night bite.
I'll have to show you some pictures of my year so far.
I don't know. I caught 3 little ones today. That was
That
it.
was it.
All day long out there on
Really?
the point. All
Oh,
day
you were
long.
at the point?
Yeah, I couldn't get anything. Yeah, well, it was good to see him.
Good to see you.
Hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, these last 2 days, Uvis and here, I've caught a total of 5 fish that probably
Ouch.
together equal 12 inches.
Ouch.
Yeah, it's been that tough.
Well, I know
And,
there's a big hog right here in this corner.
I got some days off, so hopefully by the time I get another day to fish, they'll be hitting. Hope you enjoyed this one, and please join us for our next Sunday Coast Bass Fishing Show. Do some likes and sub if you haven't.
Cheers.
Here we go.